What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Niqua. Thank you for visiting my little corner of YouTube, and Happy New Year, everyone, and Happy Holidays as well. So today, this nail design is going to be for the new year, and I decided to use some regular nail polish. I know, shocking, regular nail polish. But if you saw from my last video, I got some nail polishes from Holo Taco. My wife got them for me for Christmas. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to use some nail polish today. So first off, I'm going to use my shiny black nail polish. It is in the color Piri Piri, I guess is how you pronounce it. I'm so sorry. But I am putting that on my pinky and thumbnails. So the nails that is on my hand, I used my gracious, what is it called? My LGN Pro builder gel. I did not record a video of me actually doing these nails because I just wanted to focus strictly on the nail polish. So I do actually have a video of me using the LGN Pro builder gel with dual forms, because that's how I did these nails, with dual forms. But like I said, I just wanted to focus strictly on just the nail polish. So on my ring finger, middle finger, and pointer nail, I'm going to use the Holo Taco nail polish in the color Sunken Secrets. Honestly, I was just trying to find any excuse to use this nail polish because, oh my goodness, like even when I was swatching it, if you saw the swatch video, I didn't like when I was swatching it. I actually was like, oh my god, like this is such a beautiful color. I took the audio out because, quite frankly, I didn't really feel like doing a voiceover. Sorry. Like, you would be amazed at how many videos I actually have edited, but I don't have voiceover. I haven't done a voiceover to them, so yeah, me and voiceovers, we have a love-hate relationship. Like, I don't mind editing a video, but I do not like doing voiceovers. I don't know why. But anywho, sorry that my camera keep focusing. I also got a new camera for Christmas, and I'm trying to learn how to use it, because usually I would record my videos on my phone, but my wife got me a camera for Christmas, and so I'm trying to figure out how to do like the focusing and stuff like that. So bear with me on that one. But like I said, on my three middle nails, so my ring finger, middle finger, and pointer fingernails, is going to be Sunken Secrets, which is this gorgeous, oh my gosh, this gorgeous nail polish from Holo Taco. And I guess since I have you as a voiceover right now, I could actually describe what Holo Taco describes Sunken Secrets as. And it is described as it says, dive into the sea in search of sunken secrets. Like the deep end of the ocean, this holographic blue shade has a dark sparkle with astonishing depth. Time to sink into a dark blue hollow mood. The details are a linear holographic formula in a dark navy blue shade. Full coverage in 2 coats. Smooth formula. Removes easily with nail polish remover, which that is definitely true so far. All of those are definitely true. It is 12 mils. It's 10 free. It says, note, holographic nail polish shows best under direct sunlight, halogen bulbs, or just your phone camera flash. Swatch photos as pictured. Have 1 coat of glossy taco for optimal smoothness and shine. Super pigmented shades may cause staining depending on the porousness of the nail and the use of a protective base coat. Polish should be stored in a cool, dark place to keep it at its best for longer and to prevent the color or consistency from changing. So Halo Taco is vegan, cruelty free, tin free, and it is made in the USA. Because if you follow Simply Not Logical, who used to be Simply Nail Logical, yes, I have followed her for so many years, but she now has her new channel. Well, it's not new, but her newer channel is Simply Not Logical, and so she mainly does podcasts and stuff now. But she started her nail polish brand Holo Taco, and oh my gosh, I always wanted it, but I just never wanted to pay for it. But if you know, if you follow Christine, she is from Canada, but she has her products made in the USA. So yes, so feel free to purchase some Holo Taco. I am not sponsored in any way, shape, form, or fashion. Like I said, these were Christmas gifts from my wife, and when I tell you these are some of the best nail polishes I have used, yes, I love this nail polish. And honestly, um, they dried in like not even 15 minutes. So this first coat, um, by the time I got back to the nail, like you see me touching the nails now. By the time I got back to the first nail, they were dry, which that's usually the reason. Well, usually I don't like using nail polishes because I kind of hate waiting for it to dry instead of me just sticking my hand in a lamp for 60 seconds and it's dry. But I will say I did use thinner coats, so I have learned a little bit. But yes, by the time I got back to my pink, like by the time I polished all the nails and got back to the first nail, the nails were dry. Honestly, the Holo Taco ones were dry before the two shiny nails. So yes, the key is thin coats. But yeah, that Holo Taco, it dried like so fast. After I did the second coat of the nail polishes just to make sure that it was fully dry, I did wait 15 minutes before I started doing any nail art, because if I'm not mistaken, what I think you're supposed to do with nail polish is before you start doing nail art, you're supposed to put on a top coat and let that top coat fully dry. So that way, like if you have to wipe something away with acetone, you won't disturb your base. But, bruh, I was playing with fire. I felt froggy. So, yeah, I didn't do a top coat before I did my nail art because I felt like I was going to do something very simple, because I don't really do nail art like that with nail polish. So yes, as far as the Holo Taco, I will say it is definitely pigmented in two coats. If you saw my swatch video, I did use the Glossy Taco to top coat all of the nail swatches. Um, that's probably the main time I will ever use the Glossy Taco, other than if I polish my toes. But yes, sorry, I had the sniffles. But yes, that Holo Taco nail polish is freaking amazing. Um, all I'm doing is using some acetone, and I'm just going around my cuticles just to clean up where I accidentally got nail polish. So, like I said, after my second coat, I did wait 15 minutes. Like I actually set a timer for 15 minutes, and I waited my 15 minutes before I started doing nail art. And honestly, this video is in real time. It's not sped up or anything. Of course, I did cut out like the non-essential portions, but if I'm not mistaken, I think the original length of this video was maybe 25 minutes. Actually, no, I take that back. The original time of this video, I think, was 30 minutes, because I cut out, of course, the 15-minute wait. Actually, I stopped recording during the 15-minute wait because I was like, that's a waste of camera space. So yeah, so probably all in all, I want to say maybe this nail design took me about, I'll say at the most like 45 minutes. I'll say at the most 45 minutes, like factoring in the 15-minute wait. And yeah, because I know it didn't take me no longer than an hour to do this one hand. So yeah, I say it probably took me like 45 minutes to do this nail polish. And at the end, I'm gonna go ahead and spoil it. I did use gel polish as a top coat because I don't know, like I feel I don't know. I just like using gel polish as a topper instead of regular nail pop, like instead of a regular nail polish top coat. I just like the gel polish. I think because that way I don't have to wait even longer. But I will say, before you put gel polish on top of nail polish, absolutely positively make sure those nails are dry. I will say wait 15 minutes at the least. At the most, I'll say wait like 20 to 30 minutes before you put a gel top coat on top of nail polish, because like I said, you do want to make sure that the nail polish is fully dry, because I have done that before and put a gel top coat on top of nail polish and the nail polish was not dry, and I accidentally hit my hand and I messed up the nail polish. So yes, please make sure that the nail polish is dry before you put the gel polish top coat on. So now for the nail art, I will say some of that is also cut out by accident. I didn't realize I wasn't recording, but so I'm using my Maniology stamping plate. I believe it says the number is M147. It's like their Pride stamping plate. And so I just used my Queen, I think. Yeah, that was my Queen, I guess that's how you say it, stamping polish. I will say stamping polish is freaking amazing as well, because number one, it's super duper pigmented, and number two, it dries a whole lot faster than regular nail polish. But I used my Queen stamping polish, and I just stamped on this little bar, I guess is what you could say it is, because I should have used my liquid latex around my cuticles, but I didn't feel like waiting. Sorry. Like I said, I'm very impatient. And then on top of that, I think I recorded this video at like 9-10 o'clock at night. So yeah, I was super duper impatient. But I did wait about 10 minutes, maybe about 5 or 10 minutes, just to make sure that was dry before I started writing on it. I did write 2025 in the white part. Like I said, sorry, I did not realize my camera was not recording, but so I wrote 2025 with the amber apathy hollow taco nail polish, and then on the thumb I used that same white Queen stamping polish, but I used a different stamping plate. I believe, no, it wasn't from Maniology, it was from Queen. And honestly, I really hate saying the name because the name is so dumb to me. But the Queen nail polish and stamping plate, I found those in Walmart. That's how I ended up getting my hands on them. So yes, you can find those two in Walmart in like the nail section. Well, if you can't find them in your local Walmart, I'm pretty sure you can find them on Walmart.com. And I did stars on my thumb, which you will see in a minute. And so now I'm using my Beetles gel top coat. I'm still trying to figure out which gel top coat I like the most. If I like the Beetles one, or I don't even know how to pronounce the other one. Zanist. I don't know. But I want to say, so it's like, I like the shine of the Beetles one. Don't get me wrong. Love the shine of the Beetles one. But if you look at my pinky, this top coat is really watery. So if you can see in my pinky, like right now, it ended up running into my cuticles. Like before I left my pinky nail, that was not there, and I didn't realize it until I looked in the nail lamp while I was curing my nails. So it ended up like flooding into my cuticles, and it just keep on going. But honestly, I didn't even put that much polish up there, but I think it's because of how I was holding my hand kind of like backwards, because gel, it moves everywhere. But yes, so that's the only downside I will say about this Beetles nail polish. I mean, this Beetles gel top coat. But it could also be because gel likes to stick to other gel, so it probably didn't have like the tacky layer of a gel polish to like adhere to, because I mean nail polish don't create a tacky layer. So that could have also been why it ended up flooding my cuticles too. But the pinky nail is really the only one I had an issue with. Other than that, like I don't have any issues with this gel top coat. It didn't smudge the nail polish. Like that was another thing that I was scared of. Like I was like, oh my gosh, like it might smudge it, but it didn't smudge it. And yeah, it was like I said, the only thing was it was kind of watery. I did cure that for 60 seconds in my nail lamp, and this is what the nails look like. And that is when I realized that my pinky had been flooded with gel polish. Um, and oh my gosh, do you see the hollow shift in this blue? Like, oh my goodness, it is so pretty. Somebody, please, oh, Christine, you did a bang up job with Sunken Secrets. So now I'm going to put on cuticle oil. This is a brand new cuticle oil pen, so you're playing Russian roulette with how much cuticle oil you get out in a brand new cuticle oil pen. But oh my gosh, it came out amazing. Oh, I did also use my Beetles peel off base coat. I'm still trying to figure out how to make this stuff work and actually peel off, because I have yet to make this freaking peel off base coat actually peel off. Usually I still have to file off my nails, but I digress. But that cuticle oil was actually very moisturizing. So, yes, this is what the nails look like. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and join the family. And until next time, bye. Happy New Year.